Hi NEET aspirants, welcome to Vari Medical Academy. Vari Medical Academy சார்பாக அனைத்து விதமான டாபிக் சார்ந்த ஒவ்வொரு வீடியோவும் இனி வரும் நாட்களில் உங்களுக்கு வரும். உங்களுக்கு இதை சார்ந்த சந்தேகங்கள், கேள்விகள் எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் கமெண்ட்ஸில் பாஸ் பண்ணுங்க. எங்கள் எக்ஸ்பர்ட் ஃபேக்கல்ட்டி மெம்பர்ஸ் போடுற வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அந்த வீடியோ ரெகுலராக உங்களுக்கு வரணும்னா சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தேங்க்யூ. Wish you all the best.
Okay, good evening students, and today class already numerical started in equilibrium, and SO2 plus N2O gives rise to SO3 plus NO. Equilibrium constant is 16. Equilibrium constant given how much? 16. 1 mole of each 4 gases. Initially 1 mole, all 4 gases is 1 mole is enclosed in a vessel. Enclosed in a vessel of volume 1 liter. Find equilibrium concentration of NO. We have to calculate the equilibrium concentration of NO. Once again read properly while you are doing numerical, you have to read properly the question what they are asking. Now write the reaction. What is the reaction? SO2 plus N2O gives rise to forward and backward reaction to form SO3 plus NO. Now all are the gases. Now initial moles, how many taken? First write the initial moles. Initial mole given, how many moles are given? 1 mole of each 4 gases. 1 mole, for example, this is the 1 mole. This is also 1 mole given. This is also 1 mole. This is also 1 mole. They given already in question. 1 mole of each 4 gases is enclosed at equilibrium. What is the concentration at equilibrium? Equilibrium, number of moles at equilibrium. Number of moles at equilibrium. Number of moles at equilibrium. Now here is 1 minus x moles are dissociated. Here also 1 minus x. Here is why I am writing minus x? Because concentration is decreases reactant side, and product size concentration increases. 1 plus x, 1 plus x. Okay, understand? And number of moles of equilibrium 1 minus x, 1 minus x, and SO3 the product concentration 1 plus x, 1 plus x. Now write what is the equilibrium concentration? Kc. Kc means equilibrium constant in terms of concentration. Now product concentration, another one NO divided by SO2 concentration and N2O concentration. Now I am taking here, what is the Kc value given, student? Equilibrium constant is 16 given. Now write the Kc value 16, that is equal to, here is a number of moles. Concentration means we have to write concentration 1 minus x by, what is the 1 liter? Here also 1 minus x by 1. Here also 1 plus x by 1. 1 plus x by 1. Concentration is equal to, what is the concentration? Number of moles by volume. Concentration expressed in moles by volume. Now write 16 SO3 concentration how much? Because 1 only na, we are not don't consider that one. 1 plus x. Here also 1 plus x by 1 minus x and 1 minus x. Now write 16. We are writing 16 1 plus x whole square by 1 minus x whole square. Understand? 1 plus x means we are writing 1 plus x whole square. Now this one I am writing 4 square. 4 just 16 na? Now 1 plus x by 1 minus x power 2 means total whole square. Now 2 cancel. Now what is the answer? We are writing here 4 4 minus 4x, that is equal to 1 plus x. Now this one is 1 coming means 3 is equal to 5x. Now x is equal to, what is answer? 3 by 5. Now x is equal to 0.6. X value, what is the x value given? X value you are getting 0.6. What you have to find out? Find the concentration of NO. NO concentration at equilibrium. NO concentration at equilibrium in number of moles at equilibrium 1 plus x. Now write 1 plus x, that is equal to 1 plus 0.6, that is equal to 1.6 mole per liter. Mole per liter. This is the concentration expressed in moles per liter. Okay, this is the very important question for asking equilibrium question. Once again, take equilibrium constant is 16 given. This is the reaction SO2 plus N2O gives rise to SO3 plus NO, and equilibrium constant is given 16. 1 mole of each 4 gases, and 4 gases are enclosed in a vessel of 1 liter. To find the equilibrium concentration of NO, this one you have to calculate. Now first write the equation SO2 plus N2O gives rise to SO3 plus NO. This is forward and backward reaction. Forward and backward reaction means reversible reaction. Now write initial moles. 1 mole I am taking, here also 1 mole, here also 1 mole, here also 1 mole. At equilibrium, number of moles at equilibrium 1 minus x, here also 1 minus x. Why are writing 1 minus x? Because concentration of reactants are decreases. Decreases means 1 minus x, 1 minus x. Here it's 1 plus x, 1 plus x. You know what is the Kc? Equilibrium constant in terms of concentration, product concentration by reactant concentration. Now here I am writing Kc value 16 is given, 1 plus x and 1 plus x, 1 minus x, 1 minus x. We can write 1 plus x whole square, 1 minus x whole square. Here 16 means we have to write 4 power 2 means 4 4 ja 16. After calculation this x is equal to 0.6 will be coming. Now what you have to find out? Equilibrium concentration of NO. Now equilibrium concentration means 1 plus x, the answer is 1.6.